T-joint. Take two pieces of wire 7 by 20. Okay, first take one piece of wire and make marking on it. 2.5, 5 mm and 60 mm, like that. Remaining is 60 mm. Okay, this is one piece of wire. Take another piece of wire and make marking on it as shown in this diagram. This is 2.5 mm and this is the 5 mm, and here too this point is 9 mm, so 90 mm, and this point too here is 5 mm and 5 mm to its end is 2.5 mm. So this is the marking of the wire. Make skinning using electrician knife. Now we remove this. First we remove this insulation. Over the conductor, like this. You remove the insulation over the bare conductors. These are the 7 conductors. You can see here. These are the 7 conductors. Make marking on this 5 mm. Make skinning using electrician knife. This is the 5 mm insulation. We remove. Make another piece of wire as we marked. Removes insulation using electrician knife. No. Like this, you remove the make skinning of 5 mm using electrician knife. Now make straighten using mallet. This is wooden mallet. For 60 mm. This skinning to 60 mm. We mark on these conductors and hold these conductors in a combination plier and twist the wires. Take another piece of wire and mark the center point. Next, twist conductors. Take middle of the conductor, like this. You insert the conductors and twist wire like this, and twist wire and take three conductors in one side and wrap these conductors like this without giving gap. Same, take another three pieces another three pieces of wire, wrap the other side without any gap. You can wrap these three conductors on one another like this. You cannot overlap. Okay, like this, and take wire piece remaining and fold or wrap on this wire without any gap. With a normal pressure, apply on this wire to make joint very tight and no sparking will happen. Like this, we made T joint. This is the T joint as shown in this figure.